Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you can't already tell from the title and all, today I'm going to be doing a video on how you achieve this makeup look. So basically this makeup look is going to be a very soft, pink and natural Korean inspired makeup look because usually I don't really do like Korean inspired makeup looks because I'm more of a western style makeup kind of person, and mostly because my eyebrows I'm really actually straight. So yeah, I'm just gonna give this a try. I hope you guys love the video. If you haven't already subscribed, do hit the subscribe button down below to join the family. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, let's get on with the video. Alright guys, I know I said that we're gonna start the video like, let's start the video, but basically, right, disclaimer here, I'm actually a little bit sick, so if in the video like I kind of sound a bit off, that's the reason why. And yeah, I do hope you guys understand because like I am really getting sick. And let's actually get on with the video. Okay, so first things first is to pin up my hair, and you guys know the drill. I'm gonna be using my Velcro hairpiece, and honestly I thought I lost it, but I found it like just now, just before filming this, so this is great. And secondly, my hair, like, yes, it's a different color, but honestly speaking, right, the dye that I used wasn't the best, I guess, because it didn't really dye my hair that much. Okay, like this front part is pink and I freaking love the color. I really love the color, but the back of my hair more or less is still like ashy grayish color, and not saying it's a bad color, but it's just not the color that I wanted. It's not really that pink, and honestly I kind of like it better when my hair is like brighter. Like this is a really nice color, but I prefer like brighter hair colors, so this box dye isn't, I guess, my thing. So this box dye, I guess it would be good if like you wanted just like a tint of color. The box dye that I used is really good in like, like tinting the hair color like a little bit, so like it shows off a little bit of the color, but it's not good if you want like a full hair of that color. Okay, anyways, let's get on with like the actual makeup part of this video. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Boscia Perfecting White Charcoal Mattifying Treatment Primer. Okay, I think you've seen this in every single video so far, and mainly that's cause like I haven't finished using it, but I guess I would try out different primers soon. Another one that I've tried out before is like by Benefit, and it's the Benefit Professional, and that one is really good in like covering up the pores and smoothing out your face as well. But I wanted to try something new when that one ran out, so I got this one, and I'm gonna be mostly using it throughout until it's like completely finished. Okay, now I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation, and I'm gonna be mixing it together with the Klarity Lasertox CC cream. So firstly, taking the Maybelline foundation, I'm gonna just pump like one pump on my hand, and then after that I'm gonna be taking the Lasertox CC cream by Klarity, and I'm gonna be just like adding a swirl of it on this part, and this to make it like lighter. So the Lasertox CC cream is like a moisturizer, and it kind of like has SPF in it, and it hydrates your skin as well as like brighten it at the same time. So I've been using it in my foundation to like mix it in, make my foundation lighter, as well as hydrate my skin at the same time while putting on like the heavy foundations, Okay, then I'm taking the Revered Artistry Plush sponge, and I'm mixing these two together on the back of my hand. Okay, now I'm just gonna apply it to my face and just blend the whole thing out so that I can cover like all this redness and like pimply skin. After the foundation, I'm gonna be going in with concealer, and firstly I'm gonna be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm gonna be using this under my eyes as well as on my nose bridge, just to like brighten up my face and my under eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Treatment Concealer, and I'm gonna be doing like a bit on my eyelids as a base, as well as like cover any acne that I have that can be seen, for example like this one right here. Just gonna blend it out with the blender sponge. Now taking the Innisfree No Sebum powder and a fluffy brush. I'm just gonna be brushing like my entire face with powder so that everything just sets in. Now I'll be working on my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows right, I'm using the Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil in Espresso Brown. So I'm just going to be drawing out my eyebrows and making them look a little bit more straight than they normally are. So we'll see how this goes, okay? Anyways, I'll be using this mirror because like it gives me a better close-up to see how I actually draw my brows, and you guys are still able to see it this way because like I won't be using the mirror to block my eyebrows. Alright, now that I'm done with my eyebrows, this is how they look. Pretty straight, I would say. And now moving on to my bronzer. I'm gonna be using the Honey Bronzer by The Body Shop. As mentioned before, this bronzer has been the one that I've been using since I actually started on makeup, so yes. Okay, I'm gonna just take it and then just go under my cheekbones, on the temples of my forehead, and then down to my jaw. Okay, I'll also be putting some on my nose to make it a bit like more sharper and like looks more, I don't know how to say it. It's like kind of makes your nose look thinner in a way, but more not precise, but basically makes your nose look better lah. Now I'll be doing highlighter, and because I want this look to look very soft and not so in your face, that kind of look, like a very soft natural kind of look, I'm gonna be using a highlighter by the Balm, and it's called Mary-Lou-Manizer. There has been a lot of talk about this this highlighter, and I've been hearing a lot of people say like it's very good, and honestly I think so too, because it gives like a very nice natural glow to your skin. It makes it look like you're glowing without like the oily kind of feeling, you know. So I'm just gonna be applying this on my cheekbones. Okay, a bit on my nose as well as on my cupid's bow. Okay, now I'm going to be using blusher to bring more color to my face, and I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula blusher. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it, swirl it around the pen, and just like put it on my face. Okay, so now I'll be moving on to eyeshadow, and I'll be using this palette by Panther, and it was from Miniso. So okay, taking this palette right here, I'm taking this blush pink color, and I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelids first. Okay, next I'm going to be taking this middle pink color over here, and I'm going to be putting it in the middle parts of my eye. And because I still want some dimension to this eye look, I'm gonna be taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye palette and taking this burnt orange color over here, tapping it with like the tip of the brush. I'm just gonna be going in with this color just on the lower and like outer sides of my eyelid. So to emphasize this part where I added the shimmering pink just now, I'm gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty highlighter duo, and I'm gonna be taking the color Hustla Baby because this is like the brighter and more shimmery color, I'm going to be taking it and putting it in the middle of my eye and blending it out. Okay, so now I'm taking the pink Panther palette again and taking the white color over here and just going in the inner corners of my eyes a little bit. Okay, so now that my eyeshadow is done, I'm gonna move on to the eyeliner. And the eyeliner that I'm gonna be using is by Revlon and it's the Color Stay Liquid Eye Pen. So I'm just gonna use this to draw a slight wing. Okay, again I'm gonna be using my trusty hand mirror. Okay, now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm just left with my lipstick. So for lipstick wise, right, I'm gonna be using this one by Laneige, and this one is in the shade Rose Prism. Okay, after applying it to the middle of my lips, I'm gonna use my fingers to blend it out. So last step would be to set my entire face of makeup with the MAC Fix Plus. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video, and you know, like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you guys actually like this video for more updates on like videos like this that I post, or if you have any suggestions on things you want to see or improvements that I can make, just leave it down in the comment section down below. And you guys can also follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave it down here so that you guys can check it out. And yeah, that's the end of the video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye!